Hi, back, I was using my school computer before, and now got my own computer. So now I'm going to start trying to do some more tutorials on different stuff. Today we'll be doing, burning DVDs on the Mac. So first off, we can go to your browser, type in burn Mac, search. First one right here, this little deal right there. Click on it, so look like this. You want to click the download button. I already got it, don't need to re-get it. Then you want to also go to extras and go to menu edit right here, top one, and hit download as well, and we'll show you what that is in a minute. Alright, first off, when you open it up, you get this little icon, or you'll get, where is it? You will get this folder, and the application will be in there. Just drag it to your applications, and then open it up. And it should be on this first deal. Data, you can just like add simple data, whatever file type you want, just on a DVD, use it like a flash drive. Audio, pretty simple. What we'll be working with today is video. Now, rename this right here. Alright, now I already converted it to save some time, but basically, to add your video, you hit the plus button. You go to your video, wherever you want, put on there, and let's find Rocky. Now you can use any file type, it does not matter. What it'll do is, show you here, hit open, and you just click convert, and it'll convert it for you. It takes a few minutes, save some time, I already did it for me. Now you will need a little bit of memory. As you can see, it'll convert it to a big size. I have not played around with it enough. You can just use some other converter that makes it into a smaller video, so you can add multiple movies onto one. But you can figure that out and play with it yourself. Alright, next you want to go to burn. You want to go to preferences, and first off you want to hit general, and make sure you have to be, if you're in the United States using the US DVDs, using NTSC. Make sure that's checked. It's on there. Then you want to move on over to DVD. You don't have to really play around with any of that. I don't really know what that is, but main thing we'll be focusing on right here is use DVD theme if you want to add a theme. Now what you can do is you can use your default, looks like that, doesn't look that good, or console still doesn't look that good, or you can do a custom one, and that's what the other application is for that you download, called Menu Edit, and it downloads and looks the same thing, just has a little tiny folder like that, and you just click and drag it to wherever you want it. Same deal. Alright, then you have your simple deal. You can change the name, you can just put your deal up there, and come on. And then it'll do, hold up, won't let me click over here for some reason. And it'll add that up there. You can change the font to whatever custom font or whatever font you want. You can disable it, it'll go away. Of course you can change the color and the placement, you just gotta play the guessing game with that. Let's see what else you can do. Then you can hit choose, and this right here, a general background image, you can just add a background JPEG or whatever, of whichever you downloaded off the internet or whatever. Just add it, and then move over to start. You can change the name, play movie, and you can choose a custom font. True Lies. Then you can move it over to the left, move it over some more. You can move it up a little too far. 355. You can change the color. All their color different deals. this one. There's that right there. You can play around with the title still. I just disable it. Don't have any titles for it. Chapters and extra as well. Then after you've played around with it enough that you got what you like like that, hit File, Save, or you can do the Shift Command S, save it, name it, and save it where you want. There it is. Then you just get out of there. You don't need it anymore. Then go into your preferences like I just was in, and then you hit the plus button right there. Boom. You go to where you have that file saved. I have it on the desktop. Click on it. You open it, and there it is. That play button will now work, and you can play it. And that, make sure of course it's on this still, and that's all you need to do, play around with preferences. And once you're done with all that, then you click burn, and you insert your DVD that you bought wherever you bought it. Don't really play with that, just leave it with that. There's no other choices. Gotta leave it with that. Let the disk load up. Disk drive. You're okay. Then you press burn. And it'll take a couple minutes to burn it. After it's done processing and doing that, I'll pause it and we'll come back. But this will just be a minute to process it all. And also it'll tell you percentage of how much you've used off of the disc. Only used 45%, so I could probably add another movie depending on the size. Cause this is a 4.71 gigabyte disk drive. It'll tell your disk size, and you can figure that out from there with that. And to get your different custom fonts, I just went to the DeFont, and you can just download them. The one I just had was True Lies I used. You just find one there. Make it look extremely awesome. And the bigger the size, the longer it will take. But all in all, it does not take that long, as you'll see in a minute. It's pretty quick. Awesome application. Alright, now it's pretty much writing it on the track, putting it on the DVD, finishing it up. This will fluctuate, don't really worry about that. It'll just go back and forth, go up and down, doesn't really completely accurate, it's pretty close though. And I'll be right back when that's closer to being finished so I don't waste your time. Alrighty there, it's got a few more seconds to go, almost finished. Take a look at the time over there. Calculate how long it's up. And there we go. It's opening up the DVD player. I have it set up so it opens up the DVD player. When you find a new disc. And there you go. And then you just play. And there you go. That's how you convert a DVD really, really quickly.